Welcome to SmartLife Solutions, where we bring you solutions for your everyday problems in a smart and practical way. If disorderliness within your home often feels like a never-ending challenge, or if finding one tiny item takes up hours of your time, then you've found the perfect video. In 10 proactive tips to organize your home, an informative guide, we will be sharing 10 straightforward and effective strategies to transform your home from a disordered space into a well-arranged sanctuary. Sit comfortably, focus, and prepare to discover valuable insights that will lead you to a well-organized home. Let's begin. Have you ever experienced that feeling of your home being akin to a treasure hunt, where the treasure is your own belongings? If you have, rest assured, you're not alone in this struggle. Many of us have found ourselves engulfed in the disorder of an unkept home, where something as simple as locating a matching pair of socks can seem like an epic quest. This fight against clutter, a common issue that many face. But don't be disheartened, my friends. Today, we're here to provide you with some assistance in an engaging and educational manner. Let's begin with a fundamental principle. Every item in your home must have an assigned location. Consider this: if your socks had a specific spot, wouldn't it expedite the process of finding them rather than engaging in a daily sock search? Designating a spot for all your belongings is akin to installing a personal GPS for your items. Aside from reducing the chaos, it saves considerable time while looking for things. It's about time we provide a rightful place for those misplaced objects, wouldn't you agree? Always remember, a specific place for every item, and every item in its rightful place. This isn't complicated science, dear friends. It's a simple step towards effective organization. Let's move on to our next crucial point: decluttering. Think of it as a consistent for your home. Imagine this scenario: your home, stripping away the unnecessary items, much like shedding excess weight. Maintaining a clean space is akin to inhaling a breath of fresh air. Consider it as an all-year-round spring cleaning. It's the perfect moment to bid farewell to unnecessary objects, paving the way for fresh items and new experiences. Frequent decluttering your home in top shape, healthful, and incredibly organized. So it's time to roll up your sleeves and start decluttering. Rest assured, your home will certainly appreciate your effort. The third recommendation I would like to share is about efficient storage solutions. Consider them as indispensable for your home management. Visualize a system where each item in your house has a specific place, akin to the precision of an orchestra, each instrument perfectly timed and placed. Storage tools such as shelves, boxes, and bins serve this very purpose. They are the silent workers in the background of your home. They function like a reliable friend in your journey towards an organized home, always available to assist you in maintaining order among your belongings. After all, wouldn't we all appreciate such a helpful companion in our daily lives? We hope you're finding value in this video and our tips are proving beneficial to you. If that's the case, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. Additionally, a thumbs up on this video would be greatly appreciated. Your support is not just an inspiration for us, but a critical factor that enables us to keep producing structured and informative content like this. Whether you're curious about the mystery of that missing sock from 2005, or you wish to orchestrate your home with expertise, our platform is here for you. Now, let's delve deeper into our educational tips. Our fourth piece of advice is this: label everything. Now, we're not suggesting that you turn your home into a grocery store. However, consider this: in the vast grocery store that is life, doesn't it make things significantly easier when canned beans and spaghetti hoops aren't indiscriminately mingled? Labeling is an essential tool for maintaining organization. It assigns everything a designated spot, much like a home address, ensuring your items will no longer wander off. It may appear trivial, but it's an efficient way to keep track of everything. Even that elusive sock from 2005 that disappeared without a trace. It's a friendly reminder for more than just a household tip. It's a life skill. Our fifth key point is the importance of regular maintenance. A well-kept home is indeed a content home. Remember, organizing your home isn't merely a one-off process. It is more analogous to a marathon than a sprint. Hence, consistency is key. Regular dusting and sweeping can significantly contribute to maintaining the cleanliness of your home. Think of it as a routine, akin to a choreographed dance with your broom, minus any discomfort. Also, it is indispensable to remember that your home requires attention and care to how you care for your own well-being. Over time, you'll realize that even small cleaning tasks can tremendously transform your home's overall ambience. Tip number 6, refrain from procrastination. This tip is particularly for you, the individual who is constantly saying, "I'll do it later." Let me paint a picture for you. Procrastination is akin to a kangaroo. It'll leap away swiftly, and before you realize it, you're grappling with a situation much more substantial than before. So, you identify a task, face it head on. Harness the persistence of a wombat rather than the flighty nature of a kangaroo. Keep in mind, the longer you postpone, the more disorder accumulates. It's just like allowing dishes to stack up to the point where you're consuming cereal from a footwear. So, let's put a halt to procrastination and embark on a journey of organization. Finally, and most importantly, engage all household members in the process. This includes your pet cat too. Visualize it as a collaborative project where everyone is contributing, not to a party, but to a cleaner, more organized living space. Turning home organization into a group activity can turn a seemingly overwhelming task into a productive and educational family endeavor. Imagine this. Your children are learning the importance of responsibility and organization as they play a game of turning their toys into items that need to be placed in their respective storage bins. Even your cat can join in the process, peeking in from the top of the bookshelf, adding a lighter touch to the activity. Remember, together, everyone achieves more. So let's aim to make home organization a collective effort. So, what have we learned today? We've traversed through 10 essential strategies for achieving domestic organization mastery. It's not as intimidating as you may presume, quite akin to taming an unyielding kangaroo, but with less unpredictability and even more satisfaction. Satisfaction. Firstly, we must remember that every item in your household is not misplaced, but has a designated spot. Secondly, we discovered the power of decluttering, akin to shedding an unnecessary layer of winter clothing, but in this case, you're discarding unneeded items. Our third strategy guided us into the sphere of storage solutions, enabling each item to find a new niche, much like a hermit crab seeking a fresh shell. Fourthly, we underscored the significance of labels, the unsung language of your household. With our fifth strategy, we highlighted the importance of regular home upkeep, quite similar to the habitual act of brushing your teeth, but applied to your living space. Procrastination, that quiet culprit of time wasting, was addressed in our sixth strategy. Seventhly, we stressed the necessity of involving everyone in the process, akin to a synchronized family orchestra, but with less disharmony and more productivity. Strategies 8, 9, and 10 were entirely dedicated to formulating an actionable plan, implementing a "don't just drop it, put it in its place" rule, and making home organization a routine. Therefore, let's say goodbye to the disarray and embrace an organized sanctuary. Your appreciation can be conveyed. Before we conclude, we would like to extend a warm invitation to you. Yes, you, sitting there absorbing the in-depth knowledge about home organization. We encourage you to become a part of our SmartLife community. By subscribing to our channel, you will be the first to access our informative and educational guides, much like this one. Picture this: a consistent flow of practical solutions to daily turmoil, all delivered with a touch of friendliness. It's akin to having a confidant who is well versed in a plethora of fields. So, without further ado, click on that subscribe button and join us in our collective journey towards a more structured and enlightened life. And remember, every tamed kangaroo, every found lost puppy, every settled hermit crab, and every defeated silent thief contributes to an easier life. Together, we can triumph over turmoil. Welcome to the SmartLife community,